should we head on? Should we go more up the bay, or head back in and sort of capture some stuff on the way back into town?
Up to you, baby. How hungry are you feeling?
I'm always hungry. Hungry for the next good photo.
Getting some B-roll.
Yeah, okay. I want to take a picture of them because red's cool. Red go fast. That's my guy right here. We'll see. Only time will tell. Okay, I do also want that really rich red color. Kind of, it would be nice. I mean, it's just a beautiful tree. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
This is such a not great tripod, man. If your camera weighs like 10 grams, sure, it's a great tripod, but my camera does not weigh 10 grams. My camera weighs more than 10 grams. Nice. I don't hang out in the industrial area that often, so it's always nice to sort of come here and just see the, I don't want to call them nice looking buildings because objectively that would be far too kind. But they're just different, man, and different is interesting, you know? Although that is very bright, so I'm going to have to push the aperture way up. That's like a brilliant white to me right now. Hope that turns out. Do you want to stand in there? When the sun goes behind a cloud, I do kind of want to like get a feel for what expired film, how it acts in different light situations. All the lighting we've had so far has been very harsh, very directional. So I would like to see what's in softer, more diffused light, how the film reacts to that light. It looks like cloud is coming in, so I might have a chance to test this film out in some different light situations soon. But for now, I kind of like how these shadows are playing on the different structures. Although that probably won't be the most interesting subject, I'm definitely looking forward to how that one turns out compared to the rest of the really harsh sunlight ones, because it was quite overcast when that photo was taken. That would actually be a nice corner to take a photo of. It might not be traditionally what people would call a good photo.
I think it's cool.
But I just think it's neat. On guard. And then that will be my first ever roll of expired film that I've shot. I'm actually really looking forward to the results that this gets. Yeah, a wee bit about the film. It is Kodak Gold 200 from 2005, I think. So about 15 and a half years expired. I'm shooting it at box speed. It's been well refrigerated for the past 16 years, so I'm pretty confident that I can just shoot at a box speed. Yeah. I actually really like that. That's a pretty cool vibe. I think I'm just going to use up my last couple frames here. These actually ended up being my favorite photos that I made this entire afternoon. The barbed wire and the roses was a really nice visual juxtaposition, and the colors of the rose on the blue backdrop was just too nice to pass up. Overall, the film actually performed surprisingly well. Considering it was 15 years expired, there was a wee bit more grain than I would have expected, but other than that, they were very usable images. There was one or two images that really did struggle, but I think that was just because there was so much light, or it seemed images that had massive amounts of reflections like the water or the white wall of the big building. Other than that though, it was a really great roll. And that will just about do it for the pilot of The Fridge. If you enjoyed, be sure to let me know. We got plenty more episodes coming. I've got so many rolls of expired film sitting in that fridge, so be sure to subscribe for the very next episode coming soon. Until then, have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.